The frustration builds when switching devices becomes a tangled mess of wires. Enter the Keychron K4, designed to break this cycle with its compact 96% layout that keeps workspaces clutter-free while maintaining essential functionality for productivity and gaming tasks. Keychron K4 excels in connectivity options by allowing seamless transitions between up to 3 different devices via Bluetooth or USB cables without any hassle from tangled wires. Whether you're working on a Windows laptop, editing videos late into the night with your MacBook Pro, or streaming content during breaks at work, you can switch effortlessly and maintain productivity. Built for durability and performance, Keychron K4 features mechanical switches that are engineered to withstand up to 50 million keystrokes. This ensures reliability even after hours of use without compromising comfort. The tactile feedback provided by these high-quality switches makes long typing sessions or intense gaming marathons more enjoyable with consistent responsiveness under your fingertips. One significant benefit is its impressive battery life, boasting an incredible runtime of up to 240 hours when backlighting isn't in use. This means fewer interruptions due to charging needs and uninterrupted usage for extended work or entertainment periods without worrying about running out of power mid-session. Customizable white LED lighting adds a practical touch with style benefits too. It enhances visibility during gameplay under dim light conditions while providing sufficient illumination for late-night coding sessions, making it versatile across various settings where aesthetics meet functionality seamlessly. Before you make your purchase decision though, ensure Keychron K4 meets specific needs such as additional hotkeys crucial in gaming scenarios or custom keycaps preferred by some users. Verifying compatibility upfront helps avoid potential issues down the line and ensures smooth integration into daily routines from productivity tasks to leisure activities alike. If you're looking for a versatile keyboard that enhances both work efficiency and entertainment enjoyment, Keychron K4 is definitely worth considering seriously. It might just break through those limitations of settling on less than ideal keyboards in the past by offering an efficient workspace setup tailored precisely towards tech enthusiasts and professionals seeking convenience without compromising quality or performance. Pay attention to what actually changes after using it. This keyboard has a knack for improving overall workflow efficiency while adding that extra layer of enjoyment during leisure activities, ensuring your workspace meets all needs effectively.